If your Nintendo Switch shows error code 2101-0001 and won't charge or power on properly, it's usually caused by a faulty charging port or a failed M92T36 power management IC, both of which are hardware-related issues. In this video, I'll walk you through the official fixes first, then cover when you may need hardware repair. Let's begin. Solution 1. Force reboot the console. Press and hold the power button for about 12 to 15 seconds. This force shuts down your Switch. Now, while the Switch is shut down, go behind it and remove its back stand. Gently eject the microSD card with the SD card off. Power back the console again by holding the power button. A corrupted or malfunctioning microSD card can occasionally cause startup errors to surface. So see if this actually fixes the problem or not. Solution 2. Check for system updates. If you do manage to get your screen on, you can make sure to update your Switch, since backdated software can also cause this issue. Go to System Settings from your home menu, then scroll down to System. Tap System Update from here and update your Switch to the latest version. This addresses potential software level, power, or charging bugs. Trying these two steps should fix the problem, but if the error persists after those steps, you're likely dealing with a hardware fault. It could be a failed charging port or a defective power management IC, which manages internal power delivery. This is all technical stuff, so you can take your Switch to certified repair shop for help. A proper repair should fix your issue. In any case, if this video helps you out, then like, subscribe, and comment whether you found the fixes helpful, or if you're heading for a repair. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned and take care.